So I'm here today in solidarity with Extinction Rebellion because I am an economist, and the first principle of 21st century economics is that we need to learn to live within the donut. That means we need to meet the needs of all people within the means of this unique, delicately balanced living planet, the only one known in the whole universe. And as a first principle, we need to listen to the scientists. The science is in. The world's climate change scientists have made it unequivocally clear that we are destroying the life support systems of this planet and that we need very urgent, very rapid cuts in carbon emissions worldwide. Now, here we are in the UK. The UK has invited the world's governments to these shores in November to host the most important climate change negotiations of this decade. And this is the most important decade for action. But the UK government is doing nothing like the scale and speed of action that is required. There is a complete failure to show leadership. We've got the UK government on the verge of issuing new licenses for oil and gas exploration in this shores, on this island. It is insanity, it is cynicism, and it's an utter lack of leadership. These people here today are acting and are putting themselves at risk of arrest because they believe this is the most effective thing that they can do. Every time I give a talk about donut economics, people put up their hand and they say, what can I do? Yes, there are things we can all do in our own lives, in our own homes, but we know that there is a power that comes from collective action, and that's why people come together and call on governments to end all fossil fuel exploration and sale and licensing immediately, starting in this country, which claims to be showing leadership. So I stand here with Extinction Rebellion in solidarity for this action.